In today's video, I am not going to teach you anything, but I will let you know something, and that is about the deals that are going on in Temu. Now, I will just not talk much and directly go to the website to see it, and you guys will be pretty amazed. So, right here, as you can see on the first initial login, you will be able to see up to 90% off right here. And I don't know what's more amazing than that. Just let us just tap on it, and there you go. You will see the deals of the day, and there are so many things as you can see, from $35 to $3.97, and these are cheap, guys. And these are the orders that are currently going on in Temu. You will be also be able to see a lot of other deals. You can see up to 50% off. You will see free delivery, fast delivery, and so much more. And this is a deal that Temu has done for its second anniversary sale. So just make sure that you've installed the app and just start shopping. Now, this is a limited time offer. So, yeah, just start. That is all for the video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.